Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to install Canva in WordPress or any website, easy Canva tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, we're currently on to the editor already. And for us to be able to get started, just choose in your own template also onto your end. And as you can see, I've chosen a template in here. And then right after to go ahead and embed this design, we'll just have to click onto the share button here onto the upper right corner of the screen. Right after, you should be able to scroll down further until you find in the More option. Under More, you should be able to find in the Embed option. Simply click onto that, and then right after, you could embed your designs on Medium, WordPress, or your own website. So it will always update automatically if you also update the design that you have in here. Simply click onto Embed, and as you can see, you have two options to add in an HTML embed code or smart embed this link in here. So we'll try to use the HTML in here. Let's copy that one out and let's head on to WordPress. So just go ahead and log in onto your WordPress account and let's add in a page for this. So let's add a new page so that we could embed our design. Choose a blank page in here. And then right after, to go ahead and add in our design, just click onto the plus icon in here and onto the search bar. Just search for HTML. Then right after, click onto that. And then this is where you'll go ahead and paste the HTML code that you have copied out earlier on Canva. So as you can see, it has been added already in here, just like that. And if you do a quick preview in here, you should be able to see a quick preview onto the presentation that you have made. So you could go ahead and update this as per liking here on WordPress, and you could go ahead and publish once it is done. And that is just basically it, how you install Canva in WordPress or any website. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.